Foldable phones have evolved significantly from their early days, becoming thinner, offering better battery life, and featuring less visible creases by 2026. The market now includes traditional flip phones, book-style foldables, and emerging trifold devices. For the best overall foldable experience, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 stands out due to its ultra-thin and light design, polished software, and useful features. It offers a wider, more practical cover screen and a brighter, sturdier inner display that minimizes crease visibility. With a new 200MP main camera and a 7-year update policy, it provides a well-rounded and long-term investment, readily available in the US. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold is the top choice for durability, boasting the first IP68 water and dust resistance in a foldable phone, thanks to its innovative hinge mechanism. It features functional wide displays and clean stock Android software. While its performance and battery life are average, its rugged build makes it a safe choice for those prioritizing resilience. For exceptional battery life on a foldable, the Huawei Mate X7 is the leader, with its 5,600 mAh battery rivaling traditional flagships and delivering impressive endurance. It also offers remarkably fast 66W wired and 50W wireless charging, along with enhanced durability ratings. However, its software experience and performance are considered subpar, and it lacks native Google services. The Oppo Find N5 excels in camera quality, offering a flagship-level triple camera system that captures natural and well-balanced photos. Its elegant design, combined with advanced image processing and high refresh rate displays, makes it a top contender for photography enthusiasts, though its availability is primarily limited to Asia. The Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold redefines the foldable experience with its nearly 10-inch tablet-sized display when unfolded. Designed for early adopters and productivity-focused users, it offers enhanced multitasking capabilities with Samsung's refined One UI and full Google services, along with a 7-year update commitment. The upcoming Motorola Razr Fold aims to offer value in the large foldable market, with an expected starting price significantly lower than competitors. It boasts large displays, a thin design, and potential stylus support, with promising camera hardware, although its first-generation status means battery life and performance are yet to be fully confirmed. For the best overall flip phone, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 impresses with its expansive 4.1-inch cover screen, making it more usable and visually appealing. It offers a compact form factor, improved battery life, and Samsung's mature One UI multitasking with DeX support. Despite an Exynos chip that isn't flagship grade, its overall balance and long-term update promise make it a strong choice. The Motorola Razr Ultra 2025 stands out for its excellent battery life and charging speeds, surpassing many competitors with its 4,700 mAh battery and 68W wired charging. It also features a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chip for strong performance. Its main drawbacks are a higher price point than the Z Flip 7 and shorter software update support. Foldable phones are now significantly more durable, with advancements like IP68 resistance and tougher screen materials reducing concerns about fragility. While not as robust as traditional phones, they offer a compelling blend of innovation and practicality for daily use, with creases becoming less noticeable over time. The choice between a book-style foldable and a flip phone depends on user priorities. Book-style for enhanced multitasking and media consumption, and flip phones for ultimate compactness and style. Trifolds represent a further evolution, offering tablet-like screen real estate in a foldable format.